guys, it's Claudio from Visual WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add more trust to your e-commerce based on WordPress and WooCommerce checkout page. Basically, we're gonna learn how to add the Refund Policy icon or image into the checkout page into a simple, fast, and very effective way. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us. Assuming that you already have your WooCommerce plugin set up, you already have products on your site, you're already ready to sell. If you don't know how to sell using WordPress, go to YouTube and search for Visual WooCommerce, and you're gonna be able to learn every single part of WooCommerce and how to sell. After this, go to WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, into the browser address bar, enter your domain name plus WP admin and or WP login, and enter with your email, username, and password. Okay. After this, you're gonna be able to see a page almost like this one. Review the left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over page, and locate the checkout page. The page is set to be your checkout page. In my case, is this one right here, the checkout. WooCommerce already installs this page for us when we install WooCommerce on the WordPress, okay? Click on it and wait while the editor loads. Here you're gonna be able to fully customize your checkout page. This is the structure of the page. And right here, we're gonna be able to apply content by clicking into this plus button to apply content into this column, or content into this plus button to apply content to this column. I would like to apply content right here into add block. Then I can choose every single element that I would like to enter right here. I want to enter an image. Then I'm gonna move to media library. I'm gonna click on upload file, select file, and I'm gonna select my badge. A badge can be just an image with a link for your Refund Policy page to add more trust to this page, okay? Because if you say that you guarantee a refund if something goes wrong, people gonna be more inclined to do purchases on your shop, okay? I think like this is okay. Now all I have to do is save your change. Let's check out. Let me go to some product. Let me add the product to the cart and proceed to checkout. And as you can see, here is the badge. I can organize this into a better way, in the case that you prefer. Of course, when you see this image right here, you need to enter the image into the same size and proportion. So this is just an example of what you can do. And of course, you can link this image to your refund policy, okay? Imagine that my refund policy page is this page right here. So we're gonna click on the image, click into this icon right here to add a link, and enter a link to this image, okay? Save change, and now you have trust badge and Refund Policy Badge into your checkout page, and this is gonna help you to make more sales. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you guys tomorrow. All the best.